If you send emails regularly, creating reusable templates can save you a lot of time. Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create email templates in Brevo from start to finish. You'll learn how to choose a layout, customize the design, save your template, and use it in future email campaigns. First, open your web browser and visit the Brevo website. Sign in using your email address and password. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the Email Templates section to begin creating a new template. Click the option to create a new email template. Brevo may give you several ways to get started, such as using a pre-designed template, building one with the drag-and-drop editor, or importing your own HTML template if that option is available. Choose whichever method works best for you. Now it's time to customize the design. Add your company logo, update the colors, change the fonts, insert images, write your content, and include buttons or links. Keeping the design clean and consistent with your brand makes your emails look much more professional. If you want your emails to feel more personal, add personalization fields like a subscriber's first name where they're available. Also, make sure your email includes your business information and an unsubscribe link if it's required for your campaigns. Before saving your template, so preview everything carefully. Check the layout, spacing, images, and links to make sure they all look correct. If everything looks good, save the template with a descriptive name so you can find it easily later. The next time you create an email campaign, simply choose your saved template instead of starting from scratch. You can make small edits for each campaign while keeping your overall branding and design consistent, which saves time and keeps your emails looking professional. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create email templates in Brevo in 2026. Once you have a few templates ready, creating future campaigns becomes much faster and easier. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Brevo tutorials and email marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.